In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to italicize text in your document, ensuring it adds emphasis and style to your presentation. This process is straightforward, but knowing a few tips can make it even more efficient and seamless. Let's start by focusing on selecting the text you want to apply italic formatting to. First, position your cursor at the beginning of the text. Then, click and drag to highlight the portion you want to emphasize. You can also simply double-click a word to select it, or triple-click to highlight a whole paragraph if that's your preference. Once you have your text selected, it's time to add the italic styling. Head over to the Home tab on the ribbon at the top of your screen. This is where you'll find a variety of formatting tools arranged to help improve text aesthetics. In the font group, you'll notice several icons dedicated to text styling. Here, you'll see the italic button, represented by a slanted I. Click this button, and you'll see your selected text change to italics instantly. This visual modification can help emphasize points effectively when reading through documents. There's also a quicker route if you prefer relying on your keyboard to get tasks done. This method involves using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+I for Windows users, or +I if you're on a Mac. With the text highlighted, simply pressing these keys will toggle the italics on or off, offering a convenient alternative that speeds up your workflow, especially when working with larger sections of text or jumping back and forth between tasks. But what if you decide the italic styling isn't quite right for the tone you are aiming for? No worries. To remove the italic formatting, select the text again. You can simply click the italic button like you did initially. This will unitalicize your text. Alternatively, press the same keyboard shortcuts, Ctrl+I on Windows or +I on Mac, and just like that, your text returns to its original formatting style. Learning both methods to apply and remove italics is beneficial, giving you flexibility depending on your work habits or the tools you have at your disposal. Whether you prefer using your mouse or rely on keyboard productivity, having these options at your fingertips ensures a smoother and more effective text editing process. With this knowledge, you now have the power to intricately emphasize your thoughts within a document, transitioning between styles with ease and precision. This skill not only enhances the visual appeal of your content, but provides clear emphasis where needed, making your documents more engaging and easier to read. Thank you for watching, and feel free to practice these steps to master the art of italicizing text.